Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you having trouble playing videos recorded on your iPhone? That makes sense, given that iPhones often create media files that are incompatible with certain devices. In this video, I will show you a simple trick for converting your iPhone videos to MP4 format, which will help you avoid playback issues on your Windows 11 PC. Let's go. iPhone videos are often HEVC encoded .mov files, which commonly cause playback issues on non-iOS devices. Before I introduce the conversion process, let me quickly show you how to adjust your camera settings to make it easier to play your iPhone videos on other devices. Open Settings and go to Camera. Navigate to the Format's configuration page and set it to Most Compatible. By doing this, your iPhone will capture videos using the H.264 codec, which generally provides better compatibility with different devices. Now, to convert your existing videos, the most straightforward solution is to simply use a conversion tool. Recently, I've explored many video converters, and one tool in particular stood out to me because of its incredible versatility. There's no need for separate editors because this software offers compression, enhancement, and other features for videos, audio, and images all from one dashboard. Most importantly, it also offers video conversion, supporting over 1,000 formats to choose from. Do you want to try it now? You can use my link below to download the software directly and enjoy a free trial offer for first-time use to fully experience all features. Once the software is installed successfully on your computer, navigate to the Converter tab in the Quick Access menu and upload the video you want to convert. To choose the output format, click the Format drop-down next to the uploaded file. Under the Video tab, browse through the options and select the exact format you'd like your file converted to. For each file format, you can also set the specific resolution, ranging from standard HD all the way up to 4K quality. Finally, save your changes and start the conversion. After the process is complete, navigate to the Finished tab and click the Folder button to locate the output video. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.